How you going, guys? Something different on the channel today. Yep, RC tank. Yeah, Henglong, Russian T-72. Let's have a quick look at the box. We'll get her open. It's a promotion version with metal gears, full lights, suspension, real smoke, realistic sound, gun barrel. Don't think it fires anything. Shouldn't fire anything. I don't think it does. Alright, let's get it open. Let me see. I don't need a blade. Oh, look at that convenience. So, got this from Hobbies Direct. Paid for it myself. They're about $300, just over $300. We get a small couple of, what's that? Some accessories, some stickers, your instruction manual is in there. So get her out, get her out. I've been meaning to get one of these for a while. I used to have a bigger tank. No longer in my hands. I never thought it actually worked properly because I'm pretty sure like some of the functions on that old one I had didn't actually work. So this is the top. On the top here we've got all sorts going on. Looks like we've got some liquid for the smoke machine. We've got the battery. I'm sure this should be a little 7.5er. Little Dean's connector there. We've got a bunch of bubble wrapped pieces to put on. A whole bunch of modelling stuff to put on. So if you like models and model making, this model is going to be right up the alleyway. Oh, this is all the armour plating that will be stuck on it. Fair bit of that to put on. So that's going to take a little while. And then over here we've got the sensor, because you can actually get a couple of these tanks and shoot each other with them with a laser. So with like a laser targeting system, so you plug that in the tip, and that's the IR sensor that'll designate which tank's going to destroy. Some more accessories and greebles, bits, all sorts of hooks and pieces. Now, I'm going to put this on somewhere. Right up. We've got some nozzles here. Something. We'll find out what they are a bit later. And then, now, I'm just going to get through the tape. There we go. And there she is. Le tank. Cover on the can there. Let's see if we can't. Yeah. It's not light. And it's not heavy, so good weight, kind of what you would expect. Get rid of that phone. Let's lower the camera. Alright, here's the tank out of the box. All the parts need to go on it. And I'm going to wait till the morning to do it because I'm so tired right now. So we'll be back in a minute. details on. It's pretty nice. Not a bad truck. Tank, sorry. Very fidgety, put all these bits of armour on. They're just super glued on. There's no holes to stick them in. It's kind of weird the way they've done it. If you do buy one of these, be prepared to sit here for an hour or so putting all these on. The instructions are kind of confusing, but if you kind of follow the layout on the picture, you'll fill it all out correctly how they've got it. Some of mine are still a bit loose, but I'll go over them with glue and stick them on. And then I went with the Russian decals. But I think it looks pretty dope with the just with the amount of detail and greebles, little bits that it's got on it. It makes it look fucking sick. I've already charged the battery. Battery's in the controller. So I'm going to turn it on for the first time. Power up that. Switch for it's on the back here. Unzip back. Right here. Turn it on and see that the lights on the front start flashing. And let's is that bind? There we go. That's got a smoke machine on it. You can see that coming out the side. Alright, let's see how suspension works. Well, there you go, guys. It's got a really cool start sound too. Check it. Pretty cool. Well, there you go, guys. Pretty cool. The Henglong T-72. It's got a pretty good little tank. I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty cool. Nice and detailed. I'm going to paint it up, put some more detail on it. The suspension works pretty cool. I'll be able to make some pretty good shots with it. It'd be cool if the suspension was a bit looser, so it'll react a little bit more, but that might happen over time. But yeah, that's a pretty nice tank. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.